So what we've created here is a modular aquaponics reservoir underneath the ebb and flow tables that will serve as a reservoir for fish to reside. Each table is 24 foot long, and underneath the tables we put reservoirs all throughout, made out of a steel frame with insulation material, and on top with a liner. It's got the top portion, the top one there is the upflow or the overflow. It's got the filter up in the front, and the bottom is the maintenance portal with a valve to easily drain out the entire reservoir. This pipe, the top pipe, is the recirculation pipe, so that will come from the sump tank outside, sump pond, and that pump runs on a timer. And there's the sump pond over there. So the pump brings up the water through the filters we have up here to clean up the water. Then it goes back down to a booster pump back to the reservoirs. We've got bubblers powered by the vortex blower up here. Which is powering up some bubblers, and yeah, just oxygenating water, so we'll get some happy fish in here. Now, part of this project was also to convert some of these tables into a vegetable growing area. So on this side, these 4 tables will be bell peppers or any other kind of nightshades. So just the simple ebb and flow principle. And down over there will be kale, arugula, and lettuce. So for the floating raft, just simple principle of floating raft, where water will just flow up and then go back down, but the insulated material, the board we put to protect against the weather or the sun, and so that the roots are not exposed, and keep the water cold. And the reservoirs underneath, the water temperature will remain cold because it's covered in underneath the table, as well as yeah, it's got insulating materials surrounding it, just foam, 1-inch foam all around. So we built these reservoirs with steel frame, some foam on the inside, some treated wood on the outside, locked it with a channel lock here, and wiggle wires on top of the pond liner. Yep. So all the nutrients for this greenhouse will be created in these ponds, in these reservoirs.